Today we're at 281 North, looking at a property located at 2103 Silent Fox. This is in Kinder Ranch subdivision. This is off 281 East Boardfield, Bulverde Road, out in that area. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Square footage, approximately 3,163. Good sized home with plenty of living space. Nice tall entry here. Get back far enough here. Going to have a formal living area at your entry and your formal dining. We're going to have the ceramic tile downstairs. Garage is going to be right here off your right. It's a 3-car garage. It does have a water softener and garage door openers. Half bath on the left. Nice big laundry area. This house was built in 2015. We'll swing her right around here into this open floor plan. Nice large kitchen. You're gonna have your family room right here. Get a better view over here. Breakfast area, so you have 2 eating areas. Gas cooking over here. Plenty of cabinet space, countertop space. Plenty of eating space as well. You have this 2 dining areas as we've already talked about. You could put some bar stools right here. Have more eating space. All the other bedrooms are upstairs, but the master in this house is downstairs. It does have a ceiling fan. These bedrooms are going to be carpeted. This master bedroom, approximate size 18 by 13. Double vanities, a little bit taller than you normally find in homes. That's sometimes a bit more comfortable for people. We'll step in here, this long shower. Very nice shower, very unique. Toilet has its own little space there, and you have a nice large walk-in closet. Here in the master bath. Let's go upstairs. So you have this family room downstairs, living area. We're going to have formal living at the entry we showed you. So upstairs there's 2 extra areas for entertaining. You can make one a media room. You could make one an office space, play area. You're going to have one on your right here, another one here on your left. We'll just step up here real quick. This is all carpeted upstairs except for the 1 bathroom up here. That could be made into a game room. Here's another space here. So a lot of options, just depends on your needs, what you need. 3 bedrooms upstairs. Here's the first one. These are all going to be similar in size, 12 by 11 approximately. 2 up front here. We'll look in the closet here. One more bedroom. So there's a ceiling fan. Closet needs to be finished out there. And your second bathroom. Sneak in here real quick. So 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximate square footage 3,163. This is managed by Liberty Management. You can call them at 210-681-8080. You can also visit them at 7217 Bandera Road. Realtor Mark Fee has a lot of information. You can also call him. His phone number is 210-618-9161. One more look around here. We're going to step out back. This property is in the Comal ISD as well. Out 281 North, off Borgfield, Bulverde Road. Borgfield and Bulverde intersect there, and it's just right up the road there. This is Kinder Ranch. It does have a pool, jogging trails out here in this area. So there's a look at this property. 2103 Silent Fox. All right, thank you for watching.